Today I'm going to show you how to construct a timeline. A timeline is a way of displaying historical data in a chronological order. First, we need a set of historical data to place on a timeline. I want to make a timeline of the world's 10 deadliest famines. Identify the earliest and most recent dates of the events to be placed on the timeline. The earliest date is 1315 and the most recent date is 1961. You can rule the timeline on your page either horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. I will draw a horizontal line. Calculate the scale for the timeline in round figures such as decades, centuries, or even millennia. Some timelines might be representing events over a short period, such as a month or even a single year. Sometimes there may be a huge gap between one event and the other events. It may be necessary to use a break in the scale, using a symbol which looks like a lightning bolt, to make the timeline fit comfortably on the page. There is a huge time gap between the 1315 Great European Famine and the 1769 Bengal Famine, so I will put a break in the line between these two events. From then on, starting from 1750, place the events on the timeline accurately beside or above or below the correct date. If an event spans more than 1 year, I will use a forked line. Give your timeline a title, for example, the 10 Deadliest Famines. Here is my completed timeline.